Hello viewers, welcome to Learnera Academy. This is Suja Alex from St. Xavier's Catholic College of Engineering, Nagarkovil. This is the first lecture in the series of Statistics for Data Science. This session we are going to learn what is statistics, why it is important and types of statistics. Now let's move on to the session. Before seeing what is statistics, we just know what is data. Data are individual pieces of factual information used for the purpose of analysis. It's a raw information from which statistics are created. That is, statistics are the results of data analysis. Statistical data may be classified into two main categories of data: qualitative data, quantitative data. Now we can say what is qualitative data. It is a categorical data that reflects only two name classifications. There are two types of categorical data: nominal data and ordinal data. For example, if the participants are grouped into short and tall, then it's called nominal data. Another one example is gender with male and female values. Next we can see ordinal data. If all the participants are ranked in order from tallest to smallest, then it's called ordinal data or rank data. Next we can see about quantitative data. It's also called numerical data. Discrete and continuous are the two types of numerical data. Discrete data takes possible values that can be easily listed out. That is, whole numbers that can't be divided. Examples are number of students in a class, defects per hour. Continuous data represents measurements, that is, possible values that can't be counted and described using intervals on real number line. Some examples are weight of a person, voltage, etc. Now let me see what is statistics. Statistics is the science of collecting, organizing, presenting, analyzing and interpreting data that helps decision making. Suppose if you are running a business, for example, online training, and you send advertisement to your customers. Certain set of customers clicked on that advertisement and joined the training, but some may not. So, how do you design this experiment? How many customers registered the training, how many not responded, and how many not received advertisements? To answer all these questions, we do statistics. So why is statistics important? We have few reasons to answer this. Statistics derives knowledge from large data sets. We can understand the reality with the help of statistics. It helps to make predictions, decisions and classifications, etc. Now we can see the types of statistics. There are two types of statistics. One is descriptive statistics and the other is inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics is a method of organizing, summarizing and presenting data in an informative way. You have all data like how many customers paid your online training, what kind of customers come, on which month you had more sale. All these questions based on data are answered by descriptive statistics. An opposite to descriptive statistic is inferential statistics. It's a method which is used in determining something about a population on the basis of a sample. You are going to ask every person whether they voted for one party or the other. But you want to figure out. So you select a sample You decide a sample size, and based on that sample size, you will try to infer which party is going to get more votes. You're trying to infer whether the person is lying or telling the truth. So that becomes inferential statistics. Here, population is all the people in a state, and sample is you ask a few people about are you going to vote for party A or party B. Now we can see where this statistics is used. So statistics are used in various fields such as medical research, stock markets, and sales projection. With this, I conclude my session. Thank you.